Hey everybody, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Woo, it's kind of chilly out here in Zone 7B. It's about 30 degrees this morning. I'm out here on my deck. It's the beginning of 2022. It is the beginning of January. So I want to do my normal deck check. See what's going on in the garden. If you are new to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by on this nice, cold, breezy day. I really do appreciate you. And if you would do me a favor and just take a second and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on that notification bell so you'll always get my videos. Be sure to watch till the end. And one more favor, share it out. Okay, let's go around and see what I got growing on in my garden.
Show off your fantasy reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.
Okay, I'm going to start over here with my red mustard greens. They're a little limp because it's still early morning and they're frozen still. See, you can hear how crispy they are because the sun has not come up and made them stand up so they can poke their heads up, but they are just fine. I'm actually going to harvest these probably sometime this weekend so they can keep growing. Now, I've got a 5-gallon bucket back here, or 10 or 7, that I had to kind of stick under here. Here's just some onions. I also have some radishes that are growing in here. Started them late. I don't know what they're going to do, but I had to push this under here because we had a really bad windstorm. Over here, these are my peppers that I am overwintering. So we're going to see how they're going to do come next year. They're just lying dormant, as they should. Okay, over here I've got some carrots, and my thyme is lying dormant. It goes dormant every year, at least it has for the last couple of years, so I'm counting on it coming back. But these are my carrots, and I saw a couple poking their heads out, but maybe they went back under, or I don't know, maybe the dirt shifted or whatever. But these are some carrots, and they seem to be doing fine out here in this little chilly weather. And there is another red mustard green, plenty of onions that I have growing in here. This was some bok choy that's gone to seed, and I don't think I can collect the seeds because, look at it. Anyway, over here, these are my blueberry bushes, all 3 of them lying dormant. This one actually has some new leaves on it coming in, but that's because we keep having this hot weather and then cold weather. I am going to be trimming them back, and I'm going to be showing you all exactly how you trim them back so that they'll grow out bushier, fuller next year with prayerfully a lot more berries. Okay, over here I've got my oregano and my rosemary. Rosemaries are evergreen, so they'll probably just stay like this. I've had these for 3 years. I've had this oregano for 3 years, and every year it just lasts through the winter no matter how cold it gets in. It's fine. It'll grow larger and bigger. It's pretty much dormant, so it's not going to grow anymore, but it will continue to grow come spring. And over here I got some Georgia collards, guys. Look at all these Georgia collards. I'm going to harvest these tomorrow, or I'm waiting for the next day that it warms up some. I'm just going to leave them out here. As you can see, they are doing wonderful. Look how big that leaf is. Look how wonderful these are. Yes, they're in a container. See? So I have a lot of Georgia collards in here. I've harvested them twice already. So this will be my 3rd harvest. Woohoo! And this is something random growing. I had asked if anyone knew what this was, and it seems that everyone is telling me it's a pea plant. So if you guys know if that's a pea plant or what, but guess what, guys? I didn't plant any peas, and there's no one around here that's growing anything, neighbors, so I don't know where it would have come from. There were actually 2 of them in here. I don't know if the other one is still, yep, it's down in there. It is down in there. There it is. I don't know where they came from, but okay, we're going to leave them there since everybody say they're peas. We'll go see what's happening. More carrots. I had to push this under there too. We had a really, really bad windstorm, and that windstorm blew this over. My son came out here and picked it up for me in the middle of the night or early wee hours of the morning before dawn. So more carrots are growing in here. And I know they're close together, but I don't care if they're intertwined and everything because typically I take my carrots and juice them. So they'll be fine. And over here we have what was supposed to be Brussels sprouts, but this looks like some scraggly little leaves, though. We don't know about those. So let's go on over to the next thing. Okay, this is actually a grapefruit and a lemon tree. It's out here in the cold, and it's here. It doesn't look bad to me to be out here in the cold. I'm not taking it inside. Now, this is the lemon tree, and it doesn't look as healthy as the grapefruit tree, but this is the grapefruit tree. But I am going to be repotting them come spring into their own pots. This is actually 3, and this is actually 1. But I grew those from seeds from the grocery store, lemons and grapefruit. I just took the seeds, stuck them in the dirt, and this is what we have. This is their 3rd year out here. And so there you have it. They're out in the cold, not taking them in. They have to adapt. And over here, as you can see, a little critter's been in here, squirrel probably, looking for nuts or something. And that's another black radish that I have growing back here. I don't have anything else in here. I had some more black radishes in here, but apparently someone got to it. Okay, and over here, this is more black radishes that I had planted. I love black radishes. I love radishes, so I plant a lot of them. Over here, nothing's really happening. I can see something poking its head out. Nope, I thought I did. Anyway, I actually have asparagus planted in here, but you know what? I don't expect to see anything out of that anytime soon. Here's my lettuce. I come out here daily and get some of this lettuce. And it's crispy, everything. It's got to wake up from the cold weather. But I come out here every day and get lettuce out of here. More onions, more garlic. And over here, I planted this really, really late, so I don't know if I'm going to have anything or not. I probably planted too many in here. This is actually broccoli. I have no heads down there. I have no heads coming, I don't think. Nothing. But it might. Who knows? I'm going to leave it here. It's out here in the cold. And this is parsley and dill out here in the cold. Guys, I'm telling you, unless it gets really super cold, I'm not bringing this stuff inside. But I am going to come out here and I'm going to harvest this parsley again when I harvest those greens so I can dehydrate it. I'm going to cut it down some so I can hydrate it. The same with my dill over here. But as you see, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty healthy. And over here, I see another critter has gotten in here, but that's some celery that I grew from a stalk of celery. And again, I've got nothing in here. There's some bok choy down there. I've got nothing in there but onions and the celery. So that's it, guys, for my first of the year January deck check. This is what's going on in Zone 7B. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me on my deck today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Please share the video out. I will see you guys next time. And remember, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.